Welcome back to The Luxury. Today, we're diving into the top 3 DeFi altcoins you need to watch as we head into 2025. DeFi, or Decentralized Finance, is revolutionizing how we invest, borrow, and manage money. No banks, just code and smart contracts on blockchains like Ethereum. This means lower fees, more transparency, and global access to financial tools. The space is buzzing with innovation, and some projects are set to reshape finance as we know it. Quick disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. Crypto is volatile. Always do your own research before investing. My goal is to break down the tech and highlight projects I find promising. If you're excited about the future of finance, hit that like button. Let's jump into our first DeFi giant. First up is Uniswap and its governance token, UNI, the backbone of decentralized trading. Uniswap isn't just another crypto project, it's the protocol that redefined how people exchange value on the blockchain. Since its launch in 2018, Uniswap has become a pillar of the DeFi movement, empowering users to trade directly from their wallets without ever needing to trust a third party. Uniswap pioneered the automated market maker, or AMM model, an innovation that replaced traditional order books with liquidity pools. This breakthrough made instant, permissionless trading possible for thousands of tokens, and it opened the door for anyone, anywhere to participate in the global financial system. With just a few clicks, users can swap tokens, provide liquidity, or even launch new assets. Anyone can provide liquidity or trade, no central authority required. This means that power is truly in the hands of the community, not a corporation or a handful of insiders. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer, Uniswap's open design welcomes everyone. Uni holders steer the protocol's future, voting on everything from fee structures to new features. This decentralized governance ensures that the community's voice shapes the platform, making Uniswap a living, evolving ecosystem. Uniswap processes billions in daily volume and often outpaces centralized exchanges for new tokens. It's the go-to launchpad for innovative projects, and its liquidity is unmatched in the DeFi space. Upgrades like Uniswap v3 introduced concentrated liquidity, boosting capital efficiency for both pros and everyday users. This means liquidity providers can earn more with less capital, and traders benefit from tighter spreads and lower slippage. The platform is expanding to Layer 2 solutions for faster, cheaper trades, and its brand is synonymous with trust and innovation. By integrating with networks like Optimism and Arbitrum, Uniswap is making DeFi accessible to even more people, regardless of network congestion or high gas fees. The fee switch proposal could one day share protocol revenue with UNI holders, a potential game changer. If activated, this could transform UNI from a governance token into a true yield-generating asset, aligning incentives between users and the protocol. Risks? Sure, competition, smart contract bugs, and regulatory uncertainty are always present. The DeFi landscape is fast-moving, and Uniswap must constantly innovate to stay ahead of rivals and adapt to new rules. But Uniswap's code is battle-tested, and its network effect is massive. With millions of users and developers building on top of it, Uniswap's ecosystem is resilient and constantly growing. The user experience keeps improving, making DeFi accessible to millions. Uniswap's simple interface and robust documentation lower the barrier to entry, inviting more people to explore decentralized finance. Uniswap isn't just a DEX, it's the financial infrastructure of the decentralized web. It's a foundation for countless DeFi apps, protocols, and services, powering a new era of open finance. Holding UNI means having a stake in the future of open, permissionless finance. It's more than just a token, it's a voice, a vote, and a share in the next generation of financial innovation. As DeFi grows, Uniswap's role only gets bigger. The protocol is at the heart of a movement that's reshaping how the world thinks about money, ownership, and opportunity. It's a blue-chip project with a proven track record and huge potential for 2025. Investors, developers, and users alike see Uniswap as a cornerstone of the crypto economy. Keep your eyes on Uniswap. It's changed the game, and its story is far from over. With new upgrades, partnerships, and community-driven innovation on the horizon, Uniswap is set to remain the king of decentralized exchanges. Let's move to our next DeFi powerhouse. Next up is Aave and its token, AVI, a decentralized money market protocol that's fundamentally transforming how people lend and borrow in the world of crypto. Aave is at the forefront of DeFi, or decentralized finance, and has become a cornerstone for anyone looking to put their digital assets to work. With Aave, you can lend your crypto to earn passive income in the form of interest, or borrow against your existing assets without ever needing to sell them. This means you can unlock liquidity while still holding on to your favorite tokens, giving you flexibility and financial freedom that traditional banks simply can't match. Lenders on Aave often earn significantly higher yields than what's available in traditional savings accounts, while borrowers can access funds instantly, 24/7, without lengthy approval processes or credit checks. It's a win-win for both sides of the market. One of Aave's most innovative features is the Flash Loan, an uncollateralized loan that must be repaid within a single transaction. Flash loans have opened up new possibilities for arbitrage, refinancing, and complex DeFi strategies, all without requiring upfront collateral. This is a game changer for developers and advanced users. When you deposit assets into Aave, you receive tokens in return. These tokens automatically accrue interest in real time, so your balance grows every second, not just at the end of the month. This transparent, on-chain accounting makes it easy to track your earnings and see your money working for you. The AAVE token is more than just a digital asset. It's a governance and staking token. Holders can vote on key protocol upgrades, risk parameters, and new features, directly shaping the future of the platform. By staking AAVE, users help secure the protocol and, in return, earn rewards, making it a true community-driven project. With billions of dollars locked in its smart contracts, Aave consistently ranks among the top DeFi protocols by total value locked. This deep liquidity attracts both retail and institutional users, reinforcing Aave's position as a leader in the decentralized finance ecosystem. Aave isn't limited to just one blockchain. It's expanding across multiple networks like Polygon and Avalanche, enabling faster and cheaper transactions for users everywhere. The recent launch of the GHO stablecoin adds another layer, creating a new revenue stream for the Aave DAO and further diversifying its ecosystem. This creates a powerful flywheel effect. As more users join, demand for GHO increases, which generates more revenue for the protocol and more rewards for AAV stakers. The ecosystem grows stronger with every new participant, fueling innovation and adoption. Of course, DeFi isn't without risks. Smart contract bugs, sudden liquidation cascades, and fierce competition are always present. But Aave's commitment to security, regular audits, and its strong brand reputation have helped it maintain user trust and stay ahead of the curve. The Aave team, led by visionary founder Stani Kulachov, is widely respected for relentless innovation, technical expertise, and a track record of delivering on ambitious roadmaps. Their focus on user experience and security sets them apart in the crowded DeFi landscape. Looking ahead, Aave is building the rails for a new open financial system. Imagine a future where you can borrow against tokenized real estate, NFTs, or even digital collectibles, unlocking value from assets that were previously illiquid. This vision is quickly becoming reality. As we move into 2025, Aave stands out as a blue-chip DeFi project, boasting deep liquidity, a robust and growing ecosystem, and powerful catalysts for future growth. It's a hub for innovation and a magnet for both developers and investors. The AAVE token offers holders a unique combination of governance power, yield opportunities, and a real stake in the future of decentralized money markets. It's more than just a token. It's a ticket to participate in the next evolution of finance. If you're bullish on the future of DeFi lending, Aave is a must-watch project. Its track record, innovation, and community make it a standout in the space. Now let's talk about the central bank of DeFi. Finally, let's spotlight MakerDAO and its governance token, MKR, the protocol behind DII, the original decentralized stablecoin. MakerDAO is often called the central bank of DeFi for a reason. It's the foundation upon which much of the decentralized finance ecosystem is built. Since its inception, MakerDAO has pioneered the concept of a truly decentralized, crypto-collateralized stablecoin, and its influence continues to grow as DeFi matures. MakerDAO acts as DeFi's central bank, issuing DAI by locking up crypto collateral in smart contracts. Users deposit assets like Ether or other approved tokens into digital vaults, and in return, they can mint DAI, which is pegged to the US dollar. This process is fully transparent and automated, relying on smart contracts rather than any central authority. DAI is over-collateralized and censorship-resistant, maintaining its dollar peg even in volatile markets. This means that for every DAI in circulation there's more than $1's worth of crypto locked up as collateral, providing a strong buffer against price swings. Unlike centralized stablecoins, DAI can't be frozen or blacklisted, making it a favorite for users who value financial sovereignty. MKR holders govern the protocol, voting on risk parameters and collateral types, and are directly incentivized to keep DAI stable. This decentralized governance model ensures that the community, not a single company, decides how the system evolves. MKR holders debate and vote on everything from which assets can be used as collateral to how much collateral is required, and even on protocol upgrades. If DAI is over-collateralized, protocol fees are used to buy and burn MKR, increasing its value. If under-collateralized, new MKR is minted, diluting holders. This unique mechanism aligns incentives. MKR holders are rewarded when the system is healthy, but they also bear the risk if things go wrong, making them highly motivated to govern responsibly. Maker's endgame plan is transforming the protocol, splitting governance into metaDAOs and expanding collateral to real-world assets like bonds and real estate. This ambitious roadmap aims to make MakerDAO more resilient, scalable, and adaptable to the rapidly changing world of finance. By allowing new types of collateral, MakerDAO is opening the door to a much broader range of assets, both digital and physical. This bridges DeFi and traditional finance, unlocking new revenue streams and making DAI even more resilient. As MakerDAO integrates with real-world assets, it's not just about crypto anymore. It's about connecting the decentralized world with traditional financial markets, creating new opportunities for both sides. The market for tokenized real-world assets is massive, and MakerDAO is positioning itself at the forefront. As more assets become tokenized, think real estate, bonds, and even commodities, the potential collateral base for DAI grows exponentially. This could make DAI one of the most widely used stablecoins, not just in DeFi, but across the global financial system. Integrating off-chain assets brings new risks, but the community is building robust frameworks to manage them. This includes advanced risk assessment tools, insurance mechanisms, and transparent reporting, all designed to protect the protocol and its users as it expands into new territory. As MakerDAO evolves, MKR becomes a direct play on the growth and profitability of decentralized stablecoins and real-world asset integration. The more DAI is used and the more assets are brought on-chain, the greater the potential value for MKR holders. The DAO is attracting top talent and maturing into a global, decentralized financial institution. With contributors from all over the world, MakerDAO is building a truly borderless organization, one that's setting the standard for what decentralized governance can achieve. MakerDAO is the backbone of DeFi, and MKR holders have a real stake in its future. As the protocol continues to innovate and expand, those who participate in its governance are shaping the future of decentralized finance itself. The protocol's transformation could drive significant value to MKR as DeFi and real-world assets converge. If MakerDAO succeeds in its vision, MKR could become one of the most important governance tokens in the entire crypto space. If you believe in the future of decentralized money, MakerDAO is essential to watch. Its innovations are shaping not just DeFi but the broader financial landscape, and its impact is only set to grow in the years ahead. That wraps up our top 3 DeFi projects for 2025. Each of these protocols is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in decentralized finance, and they're all worth keeping a close eye on as the space evolves. Let's close with some final advice. As always, do your own research, stay curious, and remember that the future of finance is being built right now, by communities like MakerDAO, and by people like you. So, there you have it, Uniswap, Aave, and MakerDAO, 3 DeFi titans shaping the future of finance. They're foundational to decentralized trading, lending, and stablecoins, but remember, crypto is risky and ever-changing. Use this video as a starting point, not financial advice. Dive deep, read white papers, join communities, and understand the risks. Never invest blindly. Your decisions are your responsibility. The best returns go to those who do their homework. If you found value here, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more insights on crypto and finance. Drop your favorite DeFi projects in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.